Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to unlink Instagram from Facebook. So let's show you the steps you can follow. So you have to navigate to your Facebook settings and go to Account Center and then remove your Instagram account from the list of linked accounts. So let me show you how you can do that. I'm going to my Instagram and going to the profile, going to the three lines on the top right and go to Account Center. Then go to Profiles and here go to Profile, and here you will find your linked accounts or sharing across profile, and from here you can delete that. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.